Hi children, welcome to my channel Excellent Tutorials. Today I am continuing the passing package for the 10th student. In that part I will do solving a pair of linear equations by graphically. Okay, this is very important definite question. In every exam you will be having this question. Okay. In every year they gave this question for 4 marks. Okay. Therefore, you have to practice this sum. Everyone should learn this. It is very easy. See, here they gave two equations. X plus y is equal to 7. X minus y is equal to 1. These are the two equations, two linear equations. We have to take one by one and replace the values for x or y. Any one have to keep as it is. For one variable have to replace the values, then we'll get the values for another. Here in this equation, first take equation x plus y is equal to 7. In this, x is equal to 7 minus y. Y take right side. That become only x is equal to, x keep left side, x is equal to 7 minus y. If we will replace y value 0, then for x we will get 7 minus 0 means 7. If we will replace y value 0, then we will get the x value 7. Okay, 7 and 0. Here are the first coordinates. Then in place of y, if we will replace 2, then 7 minus 2 will get 5. 5, y value will replace 2, then we will get the x value 5. 5 and 2. X is 5 and y is 2. Then if we will replace y by 3, we will get x 4. 7 minus 3. X is equal to 7 minus, in place of y, replace 3. 7 minus 3 will get 4. Now we got the tables for first equation. These are the coordinates in this. These are the x values. These are the y values. 7, 0 is first coordination, and second point coordinations are 5, 2, third point 4, 3. Then take a second equation. Second equation is x minus y is equal to 1. In that also take y right side. It is minus, no? Minus you will take right side, it become plus. On x also right left side is also positive. This y is also become positive. Then replace, in place of y, 1. Then 1 plus 1 will get 2. 2 is the value for x. If we will substitute the value 1 for y, we will get for x 2. Okay. Then in place of y, if we will substitute 2, then 1 plus 2 will get 3. If we will replace 1 for y, we will get a value for x is 2. If we will replace 2, we will get 3. If we will replace 3, we will get 4. For x, we will get 4. These are the 3 points for second equation. Okay. Now we have to plot the graph by using these two tables. Students, on the graph sheet, I have to draw two lines. One is horizontal line, that is x, x dash, and vertical line. Middle, we have to take one vertical line, that is y, y dash. Both are intersect each other, no? That point is take as a 0. Then from 0 to right side on x-axis, positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. And from 0 to left side on x-axis are negative values -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Then how we mark these? What is the scale for these numbers? Okay, scale we took x-axis and y-axis. For both the axis, 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Here I took the measurement or scale for 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. On y-axis, vertical line is called as a y-axis. From 0 to upward, positive numbers. 0 to downwards, negative numbers. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. For 2 centimeter, 1 unit. Again 2 centimeter, 1 unit, 2 centimeter, 1 unit like that. That you can take according to your convenience. That is not a compulsory. What is your convenient scale, that you can take. Here I took for 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. And downwards 0 to downwards on the y-axis -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is the basic method for the graph. For every graph, this much you have to do first. Okay, it is compulsory. It's very easy. Just draw one horizontal line and one vertical line. Both are intersect each other. No, that is 0. There is a origin. Then both side on x-axis, right side from the 0, right side positive numbers, left side negative numbers, up positive numbers, down negative numbers. Then according to scale, what will take, what is your convenience, convenient scale you can take and mark the numbers. Okay. After this, according to the tables, from 2 equations, what values, what coordinations for the points. You got it, no? That you have to mark on the graph. Okay. Now we will mark the points. First point is, see here, from first equation we got this table, no? First coordination is, coordinates are 7, 0. That, see, mark on x-axis. That is positive, no? Go right side on the x-axis. This is a 7. Then y is 0. Means we can't go up or down. Y value is vertical line. If it is a positive values, we have to go up. If it is a negative value, we have to go down. Here we have 0, no? 0 means we can't go up or down. That we have to mark on x-axis only. Therefore 7, 0 is this point. Here only we have to mark point comes on the x-axis only. 7, 0. Okay. First point we marked. Second one is 5, 2. 5, 2 is, here 5 is there. Positive value means on the right side, on the x-axis right side. 5 and 2 means up or to go 2. Here both have to come like this, go up, both are intersecting. Here it is 5, 2. Then 4, 3. Third point is 4. On x-axis, 4 positive value is the right side only from the 0. This is 4. Then on y-axis, plus 3 means 4 and 3 both are positive. Therefore positive 3 for y is this one. Bring like this. This take out. Both are intersecting here. This is the point 4, 3. Okay. We mark these 3 points also. Now come to the second equation. Here first point is 2, 1. 2, that is also positive on right side of the x-axis. This is 2. Then 1 means go up, positive number. Here 1 and 2 both intersect here. This is the point having the coordinates 2, 1. And second point is 3 comma 2. 3 is this one, 2 means this one, y value 2, x value 3. Both are intersecting here. Okay. Next, third point is 4 comma 3. 4 and 3. X-axis, on x-axis 4 is this one, on y-axis 3 is this one. Both are intersecting on this point. See, in both the equations, what we got the coordinates. See, this is the common point. Which points is common? Which points coordinates are common in both the tables? That will be the intersecting point of the two lines, two straight lines drawn by the two equation. Okay. See, this is the common point that intersect both straight lines at this point. Therefore, where on which point two straight lines, we got the straight line by plotting the graph. We got the two straight lines. Those two straight lines intersect on this point 4 3. X value is 4, y value is 3. That intersecting point, which coordinates will be there? No? What are the coordinates for this point? That will be the values of x and y for the given two linear equations. Okay? Understood? It's very easy. Slowly understand properly. Once only one graph, how to plot the graph and how to find the values, you will understand clearly. Then this is the same method for every graph. Okay? You can draw very easily. These are the values for x and y. Okay. Students, next graph, draw graph for these two given equations. Y is equal to 2x plus 1 and x is equal to 2y minus 5. Okay. Take first equation 2x plus 1. X value 1 and we'll get for y 3. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Y is equal to 3. This is y is equal to, this is looking like minus. It is not minus. It is y equals 3. We got by simplifying this. By replacing 1 for x. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay. First point 1 for x. And we got the value for y 3. Next, to replace 0 for x. Then replace x by 0. Then 2 into 0 will be 0 only. Then 0 plus 1 is 1. If we will replace x by 0, then we will get y value 1. Then take a second equation. At least 2 or 3 points we can take. Here second equation is 2y minus 5. Then if we replace 5 for y, then it becomes 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5 only. Then if we will take for y 3, not 5, 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. Okay. We got 5. When we replace the y value 5, we will get x also 5 only. Then when we replaced 3 by y, we will get 3 2s are 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 by 3. See, both the tables compare each other. Then we got the common point 1 comma 3. Now we will plot a graph on graph sheet. From first equation we got 1 and 3. First point coordinates are 1 and 3. 1 on the x-axis, positive value for x is 1, this one, right side from the 0. Then 3 is on y-axis, this one is the 3. Both intersect here. Okay, from 1 to 3. on y axis. This is the point, first point. Then 0 and 1. X is 0 and y is 1. Means y is 1. This is the y value on y axis is 1. X is 0 means it is not going right or it is not going left. On y axis only we will get the point. Okay. Next come to the second equation. 5 and 5. X and y both 5 comma 5. 5 and y value 5. Both are intersecting here. On x axis and 5 on y axis both intersect on this point. 5 comma 5. Okay. Next point from the second equation is 1 comma 3. X is 1, y is 3. X is 1, this point. Right side from 0. This is 1 on x axis and 3 on y axis. This is 3. Both are intersecting here. This already we marked from the first equation. Because this point is common for both the equation. Therefore, both the lines, when we'll join those points, we'll get two straight lines. Those two straight lines are intersecting at the point 3. X value is 1 and y value is 3. Go down. In next sum, we have the equations 2x plus y is equal to 8 and x plus y is equal to 5. Take first equation 2x plus y is equal to 8. Replace x by 3. 2 into 3, 6. Then 6 transfer right side. Y is equal to 8 minus 6. We'll get y value 2. Okay. Next, replace x by 4. 2 into 4, we'll get 8. And y and 8 will be as it is. In next step, y is equal to 8 transfer to right side. 8 minus 8. 8 already there in the right side. This 8 also transfer to right side. 8 minus 8 will be 0. Okay. We got 0 for y. If we'll replace 4 for x. Then replace 3 for x. 3 to the if we'll replace 2. 3 already replaced 2. 2 into 2, 4. Then y is equal to 8 minus 4. 2 to the 4. 4 transfer to right side. It become minus 8 minus 4 will be 4. Y is equal to 4. Next, second equation. We got the 3 points for the first equation. X is equal to 3 will replace. We got 2 for y. 3 and 2. If we will replace 4 for x, we will get 0 for y. 4 and 0. And if we will replace 2 for x, we will get 4 for y. 2 comma 4. Then take a second equation. X plus y is equal to 5. X plus 2 is equal to 5. Then replaced y for 2. Then x is equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 will be 3. If we will replace y by 2, we will get x for 3. Any variable we can transfer to right side. For any variable we can replace the values. What variable will replace, then one more value for one more variable will get the value. Okay. Here we replaced 2 for y, will get value for x 3. Okay. Next, x plus y is equal to 5. X replaced by 0. Then we'll get y value 5 minus 0. 0 transfer right side. 5 minus 0 will be 5. If we'll replace x by 0, then we'll get y for 5. Next, x replaced by 2. Y is equal to 5 minus 2 will be 3. Like that, we got 3 points. 3, 2, 0, 5 and 2, 3. Now, by using these two tables, all the coordinates mark on the graph sheet. Okay. First point is 3, 2 for x 3 and y 2. Both are intersecting at this point. Then second point is 4, 0. 4 on x-axis is this one. 0 on y-axis means it's not going up or down. It will be on x-axis only. Y is 0. Any positive number comes for y means we have to go up. Negative number comes means we have to go down. 0 means that will be lies on x-axis only. Therefore 4, 0 is this point. Next 2, 4. If x value is 2, y will be 4. Both are intersecting at this point. 2 and y is 4 here. Then we have to add all the 3 points. 1, 2, 3. Here it will be third point. 2, 4. Then come to the second equation. These are the 3 points. First point is 3, 2. 3, 2. 3 on x-axis, 2 on y-axis. Both are intersecting on this point. This point is common for both the graph. Already we marked this. 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay. Next is 0, 5. 0 is this only. X on x-axis 0 means this only. Then y is 5. Y is 5 means on this, on 0 or to mark 5 on y-axis. Means this is the point for 0, 5. Okay. Then last one is 2, 3. 2 and 3. This is the point. 2 on x-axis, 3 on y-axis. Then all the 3 points 1, 2 and 3. Join both the straight lines intersect at the point 3, 2. Therefore, this intersecting point will be the values for x and y. What coordinates are there for this intersecting point? 3, 2 are the values for x and y. Let us write in last graph we got values x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2. Then you have to write scale and what are the straight lines names, what is the given equation, that also you have to write on that straight line. Okay. Students, in next sum we have the equations x minus y is equal to 2 and second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 8. Now take first equation x minus y is equal to 2 and replace x by 5. 5 minus y is equal to 2 and 5 minus, take 2 left side, it become minus, and take y right side, minus y become plus y. Then 5 minus 2 will be 3. Y is equal to 3. Okay. We replace x by 5. We got the y value 3. Next again x replaced by 0. Then take left side, it become minus 2, and y take right side, it become plus y, and 0 and minus 2 will be minus 2 only. Y is equal to minus 2. Okay. Next take x as 6. Replace x by 6. 6 minus y is equal to 2 and take 2 left side. 6 minus 2 minus y take the right side, it become positive, and 6 minus 2 will be 4. Y is equal to 4. Now we got the 3 points 5, 3 and 0, minus 2 and 6, 4. Next take a second equation 2x minus y is equal to 8 and 5 replaced by x. 2 into 5 will be 10 minus y as it is, 8 will be as it is, and other side and 8 take left side. 10 minus 8 is equal to 2. This is y. 2 is equal to y. y is equal to 2 we got. Next, replace 2 by x, then 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 5 is equal to 8. Then 4 transfer this side, 8 minus 4, minus y is equal to plus 4, 8 minus 4 means plus 4. Then y is equal to minus 4. Okay, minus transfer this side, it will be minus 4. Then again to replace x by 6, 2 into 6, 12. 12 minus 8 is equal to y, and 12 minus 8 is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. These are the 3 points we got by second equation. Now to mark these points on graph sheet. First point from first equation, 5, 3. 5 on x-axis is this one, and 3 on y-axis is this one, this point. Both are intersect on this point. Second point is 0 and minus 2. 0 is on x-axis, this only, and minus 2 means down, on y-axis down, minus 2. 0 and minus 2. This point is 0 and minus 2. Third point is 6, 4. 6 on x-axis is this one, and 4 on y-axis, positive 4 on y-axis is this one. Both are intersecting on this point. Okay. From one equation, first equation, we mark the 3 points. Okay. This and this and this. Join all the 3 points. Next, now mark the points for the second equation. First point is 5, 2. 5 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis. Both are intersect on this point. And second point is 2, minus 4. 2 on x-axis, and minus 4 means it comes down. Y-axis negative means this is the minus 4, plus 2 on x-axis, 2, minus 4. This point. Okay. Third point is 6, 4. 6 on x-axis and 4 on y-axis. Both are intersect on this point. Both equations has this point common. 6, 4 are there in both the equation. Therefore, these two straight lines intersect on this point. Okay. X is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. Okay. Students, in next example, given equations are 2x plus y is equal to 8 and x plus 2y is equal to 7. I replaced the values for x and got the values for y. I gave the calculation here. See, this is the table for the coordinates for x and y, and from second equation we got the values, replace values for x and x 3 and 7. We got the values for y 2 and 0. These are the coordinates for the second equation. By using this, you have to draw the graph. I drawn and see and work out yourself. Okay. This is the graph drawn by those points. Okay. Draw it yourself. Students, in next example, given equations are x minus 2y is equal to minus 7 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. I replaced values for y and got the values for y. I got these two tables for two equations. Calculation given here. Understand and draw the graph yourself. Okay. This is the graph drawn by those two equations. Yourself you have to draw this. Okay. Students, I did many sums now. You understood. I hope you can do it yourself now. I am giving a sums for drill. Okay. do it yourself. 2x plus y is equal to 10 and second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 2. And one more example I'll do to do it yourself. In this sum, given equations are 3x minus y is equal to minus 4, 5x plus y is equal to minus 4. These two graphs you have to calculate the values and draw the graph, plot the graph yourself. Okay, this is very important sum. You will get definitely 4 marks if you will practice properly. Okay, next we'll go to linear equations solved by elimination method or substitution method. Okay.